Welcome to the learner space. Today, let us first get to know what is a macro. A macro is something which can do a magic on your computer. You might have heard about Excel VBA macros or Excel macros. This is some kind of screen which is behind the Microsoft Excel or any Microsoft product, which helps you write some coding and do some kind of work which will reduce your manual work. So in what way macros reduce your work? If you see that it can reduce much of manual work, we can see live examples later on. One click or one run action, repetitive use to ease our work and save our time. It is like you write the piece of code only once, but you can run it n number of times, even every day. I mean, once in a day you can run it to do some work which you have to do every day. So suppose you do some manual work which takes an hour or two for you. You just want to reduce this work. In that case, you can write a piece of code in your macro, in your coding window behind this Excel or Word, whatever it is. And this piece of code can be run using a button or an object or a shape which is linked to this piece of code. So once you run that, it will do that 2 hours of work for you automatically within a fraction of a second. So this way you can reduce your time, reduce your manual work, increase the efficiency of the work. So first, let's basically get to know how to reach this macro window. First, we need to go to Start and open Microsoft Excel 2010 or 2007. Any version is acceptable here. So whichever licensed version you have, you can go. So, and you have to remember something, pirated versions will not have facility to use macros. So only if you enter the valid license key and activate them, you will be able to go to macros. So now once you have opened your Microsoft Excel, you need to go to the tab strip View. In your View tab strip, you have VBA macro here, that is macros. So once you click on this arrow, you have options. When you're going to create a new macro, as of now you don't have any macros, but you need to create. You can either record or you can create one if you know to code very well. So VBA macros uses nothing but VB script here. So let us just get to know how to go to the window first. So you create on View macros. You give some dummy name. You can give trial as a name and click on this create button. This will lead you to the code window, Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. So now this is your coding window. For an example, I can even show you how it runs here. So once your code is ready, you can simply click on this run button and this will populate or run the piece of code which you have written, which you have typed. This is now ready for you. Hope you have understood how to go to the coding window. So now you don't have to worry about the piece of code I have written here. We'll cover how to write codes in the forthcoming sessions. Thank you.